Hi and welcome to my channel. I'm actually excited about this video because I will be installing clip-ins that I received from this brand called Curlsqueen. The reason I'm excited is because I've never seen clip-ins with my hair texture, which is 4B 4C, and I'm really excited about that. The hair came in a pack of 10, but I only used 7, and I also had to dye the hair because my hair is not jet black anymore. And to be honest, this was a struggle, so I didn't really record that part, which I regret. But honestly, I was just trying to get it done. And I also had to prep my hair so it can match the hair texture of the clip-ins a little better. And once everything was ready, my hair and the clip-ins were dry, I just started putting in my hair. The application was pretty easy. It wasn't hard at all to clip the hair on top of my hair. Based on your preference, you can use the whole pack or you can decide to use a few like I did. I used 7 because I didn't want my hair to be too big so it doesn't look too fake. To blend everything together, I use a mousse that worked for my hair and also for the extension. As you can see, the hair is pretty versatile. I can put it up, I can leave it down. And voila!